In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy altcoins on Coinbase. If you're new to crypto or just exploring coins beyond Bitcoin and Ethereum, this walkthrough will help you make a simple, confident purchase from start to finish. First, open the Coinbase app on your phone or go to coinbase.com in your browser and sign in. Once you're on the home screen, look for the buy button. This is your starting point for purchasing any supported asset. Tap or click it to bring up the purchase flow. Next, use the search bar to find the altcoin you want. You can type names like Solana, Cardano or Polygon, or search by their ticker symbols if you prefer. When the results appear, select the exact coin you're after to open its dedicated page. Here, you'll see the current price, a brief overview, and recent performance. Take a moment to confirm you're on the right asset before moving on. Now it's time to enter the amount you want to invest. Type in a value that works for you, such as $20. And notice that Coinbase automatically shows you the estimated quantity of the coin you'll receive based on the live price. Midway reminder, if you need the app or want to use the website, you'll find the download link for the Coinbase app and the direct website link right at the top of the description so you can get started quickly. Under Pay With, choose your preferred payment method. You can use a linked bank account, a debit or credit card, or your existing crypto balance. Different methods can have different fees or processing times, so pick what fits your priorities for speed and cost. Before you finalize anything, tap Review Order. This page is important. Double check the coin you selected, the exact amount you're spending, the fees being charged, and the payment method. If something doesn't look right, you can go back and adjust it. If everything looks good, proceed to confirm. When you're ready, tap Buy Now or Confirm. Your purchase will process and the altcoin will be added to your Coinbase wallet instantly. You can view it on your portfolio screen, see your current balance, and track price changes over time. Quick tip if you're fee conscious, consider using Advanced Trade. It offers lower fees and lets you place a market order to buy immediately at the current price, or a limit order to set your own price and wait for the market to fill it. It's optional, but handy once you're comfortable. And that's it. You've just bought an altcoin on Coinbase. If this was helpful, don't forget to check the links in the description, and thanks for watching.